Guys, be offended not to. It's your aunt girl all the way from Cairo. I'm just back from work, so tired, looking tattered and all that. I've not even dropped anything. I just got back now. Yeah, my beloved àbúrò mi Yaya Gambari. Ọmọ ayọ̀ ni ẹ́ o, ó ń yọ̀ ẹ́. You're such a spoiled brat. I love you so much, bro. I spotted you on a platform of a man like that, of a young man like that, on his platform. You called on the show and you were like, bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbàdúrà fún mi. You said, èmi Yaya Gambari ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. I'm so excited you are doing well that I'm hearing. I don't want anything to happen with you, okay? I love you, bro. Do you understand? You said the guy should pray for you again, publicly. So I was thinking in my mind that what is the difference between the public prayer and private prayer? You said he prayed for you privately, that you want him to pray for you openly now. You are such a spoiled brat, sweet bro. I love you. Cheers, okay? Yeah, guys. Sherry, there is this lady. Okay, there is this lady. It said that she's based. It's said, because I don't know her, that she based in Germany, to be precise. Okay, she's called Z Mama. Do you understand? I watch your updates, Z Mama. I'm sure this will get to you. I don't have to say people should let it. I'm sure it will get to you unless you don't come on YouTube. So this is for Z Mama. And guess what, girl? I wouldn't have updated if not that you make, I will call it a mistake. Yes, you cursed me, you shaded me, but kò bá mi wàláì lazim, kò bá mi rárá. But if not that, you mentioned two important persons, which I believe you dragged them into this mess wrongly, which was the intelligent, radiant actress Bimpe Oyebade, the you know, the steady girlfriend, the steady sweet lady of our Aziz Lateef. What is the name of this actor they were dating? And our sweet actor Omobolanle Nininowo. Honestly, I'm updating for just those two. If not for them, I wouldn't have mind the way you curse yourself and not me. So I don't get it. Torí ó ti ṣe díẹ̀, ó ti pẹ́ tó ti ń pinlẹ̀ wèrè lórí ọ̀rọ̀ comedian actor Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ó ti ṣe díẹ̀ tí mo fọwọ́ lẹ́rọ̀ tí mo ń wẹ̀lẹ́yẹ. And I want to use this to urge those of you that you claim that, especially Z Mama, that you claim that you are for Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Due to that, the rest of us who are not for Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, we have to go down. That is your belief. You don't have to, you know, you don't have to get annoyed over that. You don't have to be upset. You know that you are the one feeding everybody on social media. You are our God, you are our Lord. That is why we are not entitled to our own opinion. We must reason the way you think. Because this update I watched just yesterday, before I went to bed, I spotted you dragging everybody unreasonably into this mess. You said, àwọn olòṣì kan tí wọ́n láwọn ti lọ́mọ rí, èmi ni òun bá bọ́ tí kò Ọlọ́run. But what really baffled me, that I made sure that I made up my mind that I will come out and give you what you deserve, is when you drag Nininowo, the so-called Yomi, actor Yomi Fabiyi, tí wọ́n ló ń jà fún, that you claim you are soliciting for, on this same social media. Go and check my updates. When he was being dragged by the ọmọ ayé tí wọ́n yakamaya, èmi kan náà ni mo bọ́ síta tí mo wá speak fún. This so-called Yomi Fabiyi now to gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ sẹ́nu, because you were so bent on soliciting, defending Yomi Fabiyi from every side, despite that a man like him challenged him, which I saw no big deal in that. You came out. This so-called Yomi, èmi ni mo gba actress Toyin Abraham sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Yomi. He did it on several platforms, including Mama Lashabi's platform. Ẹ wá wo bí ọmọkùnrin ṣe ń rojọ́ tó ń roboto, tó ń ro ẹjọ́ orí burúkú. Just like your Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà also fall into Mama Lashabi's trap. Ẹjọ́ orí burúkú náà ni, that Mama Lashabi have to come out with evidence, with voice notes, with message, inbox messages and all that about influential people in the society, including his so-called colleagues. Torí Ọlọ́run, ṣé is it only actor Yomi Fabiyi and your comedian Baba Ijesha, the convict, are they the only one that we have in this Nollywood? Are they the only men? You know what really baffled me? Do you understand? Èpè tó wá gbé ìṣẹ̀dá mi ṣe kò dùn mí. What really baffled me is by dragging our sweet amazing actor Nini Lowo, and you claim that you are a married woman, you have a husband, a man like him, you drag that man just because he told actor Yomi. Nígbà tí actor Nini Lowo kò ń ṣe ẹlẹ́jọ́ òfò, ẹlẹ́jọ́ wèrè, ẹlẹ́jọ́ àdánù. You think it's all men that can talk much? And actor Yomi, you claim you are an activist. Activist my foot. Activist ya roboto. If not for me, you don't mo bó ṣe drag it to actress Toyin Abraham gbà yẹn, and tó ti wà ní ọkọ tó ti wà happily married. You see, Sherry, most men at times, most men at times, you fall my hand. You will spot your wife being dragged anyhow. If not for me that came out that time and said, actor Yomi Fabiyoto, ẹ̀fàdí ọkọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ lórí kí ló dé? Bó ṣe, that is how he let it go. Bó ṣe gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ Toyin Abraham, actress Toyin Abraham yẹn tí ò drag yẹn mọ́. This young girl, actress Bímpé Oyèbádé ló tún mú sẹ́nu, especially Z Mama. Ṣé Bímpé Oyèbádé ṣé kìí ṣẹgbẹ́ àbúrò ẹ̀yìn? Why are you dragging her? Why are you labeling her? The last time I checked on social media, because of how you label out that I said I should come and clarify some things. Check me very well, I mind my shit. But you said some things about this so-called actress, Toloma Kakakakakaka, all the men that have her. You hardly counted 5. I don't know anything about this innocent, beautiful, intelligent, one of the best producers of our time. Do you understand? You hardly counted 5 men. And the last time I checked, ṣebí aṣẹ́wó Germany ni wọ́n pè wọ́n. And by the time you will retaliate, because a lot of people you were into deep messes with them, you were once in fracas when you were in this, hustling and struggling with them. They are always emphasizing on you aṣẹ́wó Germany, which means Germany slut. Do you understand? By the time you will retaliate, I watch your update. You know that me, I'm very current. You agree yourself that indeed you are aṣẹ́wó Germany. You explain something like kí ló tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run. Ṣé aṣẹ́wó wá jẹ́ tuntun, which means you agree that you are that aṣẹ́wó tí wọ́n pè ẹ́. You are that, which means the way you explain in our dialect when you were trying to reply your haters, when you are trying to give it back to them, the first thing you mentioned on your update that day was that what is big deal about lady being slut? Is a lady being hawker or slut, is it a new thing in society? That means you too, you also accepted that you are that slut that they are calling you Germany slut. Why are you now labeling this actress, innocent actress, who is young enough to be your younger sister? Why are you now labeling her? And the other time, just for recent, you were dragging somebody on your platform. Well, I did not see the update, but that's not I did not see the update the girl did for you. But when you were giving her back to back, when you answered her, I saw you talking on your platform when you were trying to shade her too. You even mentioned her name. You said, "Oh, sure, you want to ṣe bẹ́gí fẹ́yìn méjèèjì ní lórí social media." You were telling somebody like that, wọ́n jọ ṣe bẹ́gí that the person cannot drag you, kò lè bú ẹ lẹ́nu. Ó ní wọ́n jọ ṣe bẹ́gí fẹ́yìn méjèèjì ní jọ́ Z Mama. Ṣé mi wà nú àwọn tó jọ ṣe bẹ́gí fún yín? Ṣé wọ́n tún jọ ṣe bẹ́gí fẹ́mi? Torí owó àwọn pè mí lólóṣì. Just because I said I cannot support Baba Ijesha, I have a daughter. Ọmọ kan lọ́lọ́run fún mi láyé mi. The world should hear me now. I have only one child in my life, and she's female. I say, so be it. I will never support a comedian Baba Ijesha. You came out and start cursing me. So if I could remind you, ṣé wọ́n jọ ṣe bẹ́gí, ṣé mi náà tún wà náà àwọn tó jọ ṣe bẹ́gí fún yín ni? For you to be dragging me. Because mi ò tí ì wá fún ẹ rárá. I have come to clarify some things. Gbé ọ̀rọ̀ actor, our sweet actor Nini Lowo Ọmọbọ́láńlé kúrò lẹ́nu àti actress Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, actress Bímpé Oyèbádé, gbé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn kúrò lẹ́nu. Stop mentioning those our Nollywood actor and actress. Stop mentioning their name. They are not the issue. They are not your problem. Do you understand? Actor Yomi Fabiyi and your Baba Ijesha, they have the same cruel habit in common. Àwọn méjèèjì ló lè roboto. Look at what they went and said to this man on the platform, that man started dragging Mr. Latin. If not for me that also came and saved the situation. Kí odidi baálé ilé máa rojú orí burúkú. Or what, you now came out with that young actress that is old enough to be your younger sister. You came with a picture. Start showing her to the world. Jọ̀ọ́, do you understand? Ṣó lè fi àbúrò ẹ, your younger sister has done nothing wrong to me. But I must be sincere with you. Can you show us your own younger sister and come and analyse? Tó bá jẹ́ pé photo tiẹ̀ náà ló máa gbé wá. Tó máa wá analyse. You brought out also the picture of actor Bọ́láńlé Nínílowó. Do you understand? Don't push me to the wall that I will come and drag your husband. Because you gbọ́ tó ti ń fi ọjọ́ pípẹ́ pilẹ̀ wèrè lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tá a dẹ̀ ti rí pé o ti fẹ́ jájà tí mi ò bá tètè mú ẹ so. Do you understand? That one alone is a total disrespect to your matrimony. Òní wà bọ́ta, ọ̀la wà bọ́ta, o ṣáà fẹ́ sọ gbogbo ayé di wèrè just because of Baba. Ìwọ wà dájà wèrè ẹ. Let me tell you, what kind of rubbish is this? Do you understand? I didn't mean she only break causes upon those who are not supporting. I will have. Look at the way he dragged our sweet actor Bọ́láńlé Nínílowó. Yes, I'm the one that started. I used to say it on my platform that nobody is superior. If nobody is superior except God, that does not mean we should start disrespecting people. Ṣé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ta sí ẹni? He cannot talk much. Yomi, actor Yomi is a man like him. Ó sọ fún, instead of you bullying, àbí ẹ̀wà gbà lọ́wọ́ fíìmù òfò, fíìmù àdánwò, the useless movie that actor Yomi produced. So-called celebrity, you don't know that you people are at stake. Mọ̀ pé ipò ẹlẹ́gẹ́ lẹ wà ṣá. And the world cried loud that they are not in support of such rubbish movie. And actor Bọ́láńlé Nínílowó was so pissed off, and he mentioned, I wish I can see you. He will give him some blows. They are man to man. What is your own? Although I know that it is Yomi that is bringing you out. I know it is actor Yomi that is bringing you out. Sorry, o lè má gbé ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi. You might continue coming for me. But those two innocent people, and that lady exclaimed, àwọn ọkùnrin láti bá yẹn, they are sexual harasser, they are sexual molesters. Ọwọ́ ọkùnrin láti bá yẹn. We were not there now when actress Bimpe started with Yomi. Why are you so pained? Z Mama, why are you so pained? Why do you people look for trouble where there's no trouble? Wallahi Lazim, I didn't mean you did not mention those innocent people. So people should not talk, especially our celebrities, they should not talk again on social media. They should not talk. And Yomi Fabiyi, who claim, I will not say I'm disappointed. I'm not disappointed about actor Yomi Fabiyi. I'm expecting such from him. I'm not disappointed. And all those your òyìnbó òfò òyìnbó rí burúkú tó máa ń sọ, ṣó o lè sọ òyìnbó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ my sweet actor Ibrahim Chatta ni. Actor Yomi Fabiyi, ọ̀tọ̀ lòyìnbó, ọ̀tọ̀ ní accent. Because you think it's by grammar, you think it's by boldness. Do you understand? Do you understand? Can you compare your English, the way you express yourself in English? Can you compare it with that of actor Femi Adebayo? Mi ò fọ́nú. Can you compare with Odunlade? Go and watch the movie Èwo Nìfẹ́. Go and watch the movie titled Èwo Nìfẹ́. Wá wo bí Odunlade, wá wo bó ṣe fluent. Orí èèyàn àwú, and he was so romantic with his accent and all that. Grammar ni wọ́n lè sọ, ṣé wọ́n ní accent ni? Ṣé o ní accent, not to talk of chemistry, not to talk of being romantic with it, including Femi Adebayo. Because you think it's by grammar. What nonsense is this? Look at this Z Mama coming out to drag innocent people. Ẹ lè máa fà wá yí ọ̀rọ̀ fọ̀kẹ́ máa fi wá wí anything. It's okay. I will believe well. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, do you understand? The social media has become just because, and Baba Ijesha is not the only person that we have. Do you understand? Why can't we just allow this thing to lie? And you people come claiming you are for Baba Ijesha, you are Baba Ijesha, making matter worse. Please share and subscribe. do you understand? Ó lè wá máa fi jẹ́ kí èmi àti ẹ obìnrin ni wá. Do you understand? Gbé ọ̀rọ̀ that innocent Agaro love you, that innocent actress and the actor, gbé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn kúrò lẹ́nu. Remove them from your mouth. I love you guys. Peace out.